Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. This is my daughter, and today we are going to make some fake cakes. But we wanted to create some fake cakes, so we went to the Dollar Tree, we got some styrofoam forms, we went to Lowe's, we got some spackling, and we're going to share with you guys how we made these gorgeous, amazing cakes. They did not cost that much, and they were super fun to make. So without further ado, you guys, get out your roses, get out your pink paint, and let's get to crafting.
The supplies you'll need to create these fake cakes are this Dollar Tree lightweight spackling. Make sure it's the lightweight. We also used these Dollar Tree foam bases. We used a square one and also a round one to create these fake cakes. I also used some apple barrel craft paint, and Dollar Tree has those little spatulas in the craft section. We also picked up a cake decorating kit from Dollar Tree and also this Wilton one from Michael's. We used this Dollar Tree mixing bowl, some wax paper, and some Dollar Tree paper plates from the party section. We also picked up a larger batch of spackling from Home Depot. It's the DAP brand. We wanted to make several cakes, so if you're getting your spackling from Dollar Tree, I would suggest getting a couple containers, or you can go ahead and bite the bullet and go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a larger container. This larger container was really large, so we just put about 2 cups of the spackling into our little Dollar Tree mixing bowl, and then we added a couple dabs of paint, and we went ahead and mixed that up really well. We did end up adding a couple of more dabs of the pale pink paint to get it exactly how we wanted. So I suggest to go ahead and start with just a couple of dabs of your acrylic paint and then add a couple more if you need it. The next thing we wanted to do was create our cake base. So I'm just cutting out one of these Dollar Tree paper plates, and you could also use cardboard, but I just grabbed a pack of the Dollar Tree white party plates and then some wax paper, and I'm going to cover the party plate with the wax paper. So I just used some tape and taped that on. Once we had our cake base plate ready, we went ahead and taped on our little piece of styrofoam. This is just what you're going to create your cake on. And then we're using that Dollar Tree craft tool. They have it in the kids crafting section, and we're just beginning to apply our spackling on with the craft tool. So I do suggest, and we learned this kind of the hard way, to frost your cake from the sides first. That way you can hold on to it. The tape didn't really hold our styrofoam on as well as we were hoping, but hey, the spackling washes off really easy if you do get it on your hands. So we went ahead and continued to frost the top and sides of our cake, and then we also started in on our square cake base. We also picked up some of those Dollar Tree gift boxes because we are going to do some more cakes in the future. So just continue with your spackling and your craft knife, and you're just going to continue to frost your cake. And I just want to tell you all how absolutely easy and forgiving the spackling is to work with. It's really soft. Make sure that you get the featherweight spackling, but just continue to work around your cake. Now, I will tell you the cakes in the background and the cakes that I always buy that you see in my videos are from Rhonda's Rose Cottage Designs. She makes the most wonderful cakes. She sells them them on her website. It's rondasrosecottagedesigns.com, and I will link that down below if you guys want to skip all this crafting work and just go buy some fake cakes. But I will tell you that this was really relaxing to work with this spackling. Neither one of us have ever used this before, so it was a lot of fun, and it really even wasn't as messy as you would expect. And now you can see I'm just actually frosting the top of this Dollar Tree candle that I had bought. You guys saw me haul this a couple videos back. We had quite a bit of extra spackling left, and I didn't want any of it to go to waste. So now we're just mixing up some darker pink frosting, and we're putting it in that Dollar Tree frosting bag with the tip. And then now I'm using our Wilton cake frosting bag and tip. It was about $8 at Michael's, and I think we used our coupon. We've never done any kind of cake decorating before, so I didn't want to mess up. But basically, I just went around the entire edge of my cake, and I kind of worked it backwards as I moved forwards, if that makes sense to you guys. But if you guys need more help doing cake decorating, definitely watch some professionals. But I felt like for our first time, we did a really amazing job. Again, the Dollar Tree cake decorating kit worked as well. We just wanted to use this white tip because it had just a little bit bigger of a tip. So if you guys are good at cake decorating, you're definitely going to have fun with this one. We frosted the base of our cakes and then also around the top in a similar fashion. You can see even my daughter had a lot of fun doing this, and it wasn't super hard. So the next thing we wanted to do was take some of those Dollar Tree foam roses. These come on those little tea light candles that you can find in the candle section at Dollar Tree. You can also order these big beautiful pink foam roses off of Amazon, and I have big bags of them for pretty inexpensive linked in my Amazon store in the description box below. So now I'm also using some of that Dollar Tree baby breath. You'll just clip it off at the top, and it will you can just tuck it right into that icing that you use to attach your larger rose. So just continue to get really creative. I have a ton of little white florals on hand from all of my spring decorating, so I just kind of went around and actually just clipped them off of some of my florals, and then also dug them out of my craft storage stash. But I think this is coming out super beautiful. Also, Dollar Tree, the ends of their ferns have these little pretty plastic pieces. Those are really great for this project as well. So just look around your craft stash and see what you guys have to decorate your beautiful cakes with. You can also stop after you just put the icing on, but you guys know me, I have to get really extra and just add tons of goodies to the cake to make it look hopefully even more realistic. Comment and let me know what you guys think about this, and if you're going to be going for a fake cake as well. I promise you this is not as hard as it looks. So I'm also using that little Dollar Tree nozzle now and just adding some little dollops to the edge. Again, you guys, this is the first time I've ever done any cake decorating, and so give me grace, but I thought it came out super adorable and cute, and definitely for the first time I was really pleased with the result. My daughter and I both were just because we got this wild hair and we were just like ready to go for it, ready to try it, and then just had to kind of learn as we went. So now my daughter is working on frosting the rest of her cake and also adding these beautiful embellishments to it. And again, you guys, this project was so fun and so amazingly easier than we thought. I can't even tell you guys how much fun we had with this, and so many giggles and laughs. And really, you guys could do this with almost any age, as long as they're old enough to know not to nibble on the frosting. So also, I wanted to let you all know that there's a YouTube channel called The Pink Girl and also Davita Lane, and both of those channels, I will link them down below for you guys, do a lot of fake cakes and treats. And we had actually watched some of those videos in preparation of learning how to do our fake cakes. So I hope you guys are learning some off of our cake video, and also go check out those cake videos because they're super fun.
about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaf.
So here are our finished cakes. We are so in love with these. This was the most fun I have had in so much time. I mean, you guys, how gorgeous are these and how fun and easy they can be just using some of that spackling, a couple of little Dollar Tree foam pieces, and I really feel like you guys could use all different sorts of containers to make these cakes on. Again, comment and let me know, have you guys made these before? Are you going to attempt this project? I definitely encourage you all to go for it. I'm also hoping to make a lemon one to go on my lemon hut that we decorated a couple of weeks back. But I am in love with this. I think these are wonderful. They would make a great gift. I'm interested to see how these are going to feel tomorrow after they've dried. Again, this is my first time working with this, so I was really excited and just so excited to share this with you guys. And I'm also wondering how they'll come off of the wax paper, but I just had to go ahead and finish filming this and get it up for you guys, so I will definitely update you guys on that as well.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
So thank you all so much for joining us on this crafting adventure. It is a blessing and an honor to have you guys here. If you're new, we would love to have you subscribe and be part of our YouTube family. Thank you guys so much, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.
That I love you. Ooh, ooh,
I couldn't see myself in the camera. When I hold it, that's kind of awkward.
you.
My icing bag burst open. What do I do?
You gotta get another one.